Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint design in just 7 minutes. Plus you can get this free template from the link in the description below, and you can use it and download it for your own purposes. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also comment down to tell us what you think about our templates and our tutorials, and don't forget to give us suggestions about how we can make your tutorials easier. So yeah, let's start. The first thing you have to do is clean up your new template. Then we're going to insert a text box. Let's type our text. The font I'm going to use is Aharoni font. You can download it from Chrome. Then we're going to just cut the text, and we're going to use two different fonts and text boxes for both of them. Then change their color. Change the background color for now. I'm going to go with this color for now. Then what we're going to do is insert our images, whatever the images you want to use. So I'm just going to go with this ice cream. Here we go. The next thing we have to do is change the text color according to the eyedropper. And I'm going to change the background color as well. The background color is suitable with your image. And what we're going to do is just duplicate that green text box and give it an outline, remove its fill, duplicate your slide, move everything out of your slide using shift key. This is for morph, and we're going to increase the size and put it outside. For the background, we're just going to go and insert another shape, a rounded corner rectangle. From insert tab, change its color. So I'm going to use the same color as the text box. Then I'm just going to paste my text, whatever the text I want to use. Let me just paste it right here, and what we're gonna do is just cut it in half, and I'm just gonna change its color as well because I cannot see that color very clearly. So I'm just gonna use the background color as the font color on this text box. The next thing we have to do is insert 3 images of ice cream, and I'm gonna go to remove background, and using this mark areas to keep, I'm gonna make sure that all the area that I need is kept into my image. Now let's decrease the size, group this text box, and duplicate all these 3 shapes and into like 3 more shapes. Then we're gonna make sure that the other ice creams are also duplicated one by one. Here we go. Now the next thing we have to do is just mark areas for them as well. Now what we're going to do is just remove the backgrounds. So after doing that, what I'm going to do is put them one by one on top of each of the rectangle and make sure that all of them are grouped together. The next thing we have to do is just go here, and we're going to duplicate this text box that we have outside. Let's just change its color, and we're going to change the text, whatever is written in it. Let's just send it to the back. And one by one we're gonna duplicate the slide, and then we're gonna move everything out of the slide. Then duplicate the main text box that you sent outside. We're just gonna use the same text box, the same font, and we're just gonna put it in the slide and duplicate these, and we're gonna just rotate them one by one and put them into our main slide. This is gonna be slide that tells what flavors of ice cream we have in the store, so we're gonna use like 3 flavors for them. And I'm gonna put some images in the background for the like milk splash or chocolate splash. You can search them from Pinterest using the keyword splash. Then let's just send them to the back, and we'll just make sure that you're using the same colors for the PNGs as you are using for the cupcakes or ice creams. The next thing we have to do is insert 2 rectangles, put them on top of each other. Then we're gonna just insert a text box in it, and we're gonna write what number flavors this is. So we have 3 flavors, so we're gonna duplicate the text box into 3. Then what we're gonna do is just change the colors and duplicate the slide. Let's move everything out of here. And after moving everything out, what we need to do is just make sure that this ice cream is again into our slide. Let's send it to the back and insert a circle. So let's just add them, and we're gonna just change this. And we're gonna just insert another one corner rectangle. So here we have a corner rectangle. What we're gonna do is just give it a text box in it. So I'm just gonna go and paste the text that I used before. The next thing we have to do is just make sure that we duplicate the slide and move everything out of it except for the circle. We're gonna make sure that we put the second ice cream in it, and then we're gonna just add our text boxes back into our template. After doing that, what we have to do is just make sure that there is only one rectangle here, and we're not gonna use the same rectangle, we're gonna duplicate them. This is important for morph transition. Now what we're gonna do is just duplicate the same template, and we're gonna move this text box to the right side, and then we're gonna just insert the other ice cream to the left side. Make sure that you are using shift key for moving them, because in morph transition you have to move your things in a straight line. So for that we're just gonna use the other more shift line. The next thing we have to do is just duplicate the first 3 slides and put them in the last. And we're gonna select all of our templates and then give them morph transition finally after moving everything out of the slide from the first slide. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want this free template, you can check the link in the description below, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel.